All right, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. If you're new, please consider subscribing, but now let's talk about Caspa. Before we get into the Caspa update, if we're looking across the market, you guys can see we're seeing a little bit of red across the board, but some coins are up quite a bit. Bitcoin has seen a little bit of a minor retracement, once again. That is the huge reason as to why we're seeing majority of the coins in the top 100 down a little bit. But, overall, guys, as far as the broader, things are concerned, things are looking quite great. But what is next for Caspa? Because this update is solely on Caspa. We're going to be discussing what is happening with Cas right now, and of course what is yet to come. And this right here is the urgent Caspa update, and I want you guys to be listening to this very, very carefully. So if we're looking at the price of Caspa right now, it's currently sitting at 11.4 cents. We're down about 4.1% over the past 24 hours in USD comparative. It's also down 3.2% in BTC comparative over the past 24 hours. Market cap currently sitting at 2.5 billion, with the 24-hour trading volume currently sitting at 38.4 million. But the reason as to why this right here is a very urgent update is because we're sitting at some crucial key levels of support. So we're not going to waste no more time. I'm going to get right into the charts. But before I do that, just a quick disclaimer, anything on this channel is non-financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So what I want you guys to be taking a look at is here. So as I've mentioned, we're sitting at key support line, which is at the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level support. So we have gone below the November 22nd low. You can see this for yourself. We have went below this. And now the reason as to why this is extremely important is because, if we lose this support line, if we were to lose the support line, the last live support is the wick right here at this 11.11 cents. And now if we're not able to hold around there, there's a strong chance we're about to see a 10.2 cents Caspa in the upcoming days ahead of us. And like I said, if this level of support at this 11.1 cents does not hold, it's really likely that we could see Caspa falling down to the 78.6 Fibonacci support line, which is a 10% retracement. And when we have leverage involved, moves like this can happen really fast. So this is something I've been projecting. Of course, now I'm sure everyone understands why I was saying I want to see the price of Caspa trading in the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level. I'm sure a lot of people do understand the importance of that because, we need to find a place where we do see the price start consolidating. And, that's something Caspa has not been able to do because, of course, a project that has run up so much over the past 2 months. Literally look at it, guys, from June. If you picked up this project in June at 1.88 cents, you saw this run up about 7x. And there are people that are going to lock in profits. These exchanges that have come and listed Caspa, they're going to come, take some profits. Insiders who've been picking up Caspa before these exchange listings happen, they're going to come taking profits. And that's what's happening right now. And this is why we're not seeing Caspa, doing stuff that it has done over the past month of November, where we saw this huge rally. And the amount of comments coming in saying, oh, why is the price of Caspa not going up? We're seeing the likes of pretty much everything pumping right now. And this is what I've emphasized on my channel day in, day out. I said, lock in those profits when you see the market pumping like crazy, especially a project that was pumping throughout the bear market when no project was pumping, and Caspa was one of the ones that pumped up first. So, profit taking is very normal. And whenever I mention the word profit taking, people, the Moon Boys got really mad at that. And I'm sure people are starting to understand, hey, maybe locking profits wasn't a bad idea after all. Because we're looking at, even if you did take profits in the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement level, even at around 14 cents, you are seeing Caspa drop down another 22% since then. So really important to lock in profits, and I'm sure people are starting to understand that. But let's take a look at BTC, because Bitcoin price means everything for Cas right now. Because if we're looking at BTC, you can see this for yourself. BTC made its way up to $42,700 today, but we're seeing once again a little bit of a red candle forming. And again, this is due to manipulation, guys. In my opinion, we've seen manipulation pretty much throughout the year, and it's going to be a daily occurrence whether you're in a bull market or a bear market. We do do see, this manipulation taking place on a day-to-day basis in the crypto space. So it's really important to be examining the price of BTC because it means everything. The correlation is important. And, of course, now if BTC were to have this a flash crash like we have seen at 240K once again, again, you guys need to know we're in a weekend. On the weekends, we do tend to see more manipulation across the board. And now let's say, BTC were to lose this support line and actually push back down and possibly retest $40,200 once again, which again, you can't write it off. There's still a possibility of that happening. And if that were to happen, we are going to see Caspa breaking below the support line at 11.1 cents. And I think we could see Caspa touching 10 cents once again. And the people that have been waiting for the buying opportunity, especially the ones that did not want to get back in the 23.6. And again, I don't blame anyone that did not want to pick up Caspa around its all-time highs because of course, people are afraid that the prices could tumble towards the downside. Early comers could come and take your profits, and of course that does cause a snowball effect. So you can't blame people that want cheaper cash. And speaking about cheaper cash, I've made it clear literally in all my videos if you were to go watch them. I said, if we do not remain in the 0.50 Fibonacci retracement level, there is a chance that we do see lower prices. And right now, what you're seeing is we are once again, below the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level, literally for the first time pretty much since November 17th. So we're retesting levels that we haven't seen since last month. So you should really see the significance of this. And like I said, if the support line at 11.1 cents does not hold, we could see a 10 cents Caspa, which is another 10% retracement more towards the downside. So, keep an eye out on CAS right now. Like I said, people that wanted to get a cheaper CAS, you are possibly going to get that opportunity. And even speaking about a cheaper CAS, if you did not want to pick it up around the 15.5 cents, you're literally getting it at 11.3 cents right now. So dollar cost averaging in, especially if you're in for the long haul, the long horizon, the opportunity is there for yourself. But if we're looking at BTC, like I said, do pay very close attention to BTC. As far as dominance is concerned, dominance has pulled down a bit, which is causing some coins, like I said, ICP, FIL, Osmo, AXL, Atom, Pepe, EOS, EGLD, BTT. We're seeing quite a bit of green across the board at the same time. Just a handful of other coins that are still down, but they're not down quite significantly either. And one thing you want to be making sure is that the projects that are down right now that are seeing retracements have gone up tremendous over the past 1 month. So that is that. But like I said, Caspa's update, this is very, very crucial. You want to see the price of CAS possibly getting back into the 61.8 zone. Really, really important. But if it's not able to hold around this 11.1 cents price, then yes, a 10.2 cents Caspa could be seen in the upcoming days ahead of us. And like I said, if you're in for the long haul, this might be a great opportunity for the people to dollar cost average and the ones that haven't. But that is it for today's update. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX and peace out.